Assalamualaikum friends, hope you're doing well. Well friends, it's an awesome sight. Rain has added to the beauty of the Governor House. We are at the lakeside. You can see it's raining and the fountains are working as well. Beautiful, lovely. I have been to Governor House many times but never seen Governor House in such beautiful rainy weather. Hope you're doing well. Please take very good care of yourself. Thank you. Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome from the lakeside of the Governor House. It's raining, and it's beautiful, and really I don't wish to go back. I'm really enjoying like anything because really I have been coming here for many years, but for the first time I've seen such an awesome weather. It's lovely. You can see the glass house, Sheesh Mahal in the background.